Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about inverse hyperbolic functions. An update is ready for every viewers. You know, as before talked about hyperbolic functions. Sin hx equals e exponent x minus e exponent minus x, divided by 2. And if it is cosine, we put a plus sign. If it's tan hx, we get negative sign in the numerator, and positive sign in the denominator. And the rest can be a reciprocal hyperbolic function like cosecant, secant, and cotangent hx. Now, we are ready to apply an inverse function, also called arc function. This is a tricky part you must remember. Inverse sin hx equals ln, the natural log, x plus square root x squared plus 1. Where x ranges to negative to positive infinity. Next, inverse cosine hx equals natural log of x plus square root x squared minus 1, where x must be greater than or equal to 1. Next, inverse tangent hx equals 1 by 2 times natural log 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, where x lies between minus 1 and 1. The first three are normal hyperbolic values, then the other three has reciprocal hyperbolic values, actually applying arc functions. Next, inverse secant hx equals natural log 1 by x plus square root 1 over x squared minus 1, where x must be greater than 0 and less than or equal to 1. Next, inverse cosecant hx equals natural log 1 by x plus square root 1 over x squared plus 1, where x must not be equal to 0. And finally, inverse cotangent hx equals 1 by 2 times natural log 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, where x is less than minus 1 or greater than 1. Thus, you can plot everything on the graph for each inverse hyperbolic function. So, you know how to find the inverse hyperbolic functions. Like, comment, and subscribe now.